Now we will start with the new unit. The new unit talked about solving equations with variable on each side. This is the name of the unit. Now, before we start, let's do this equation. Okay, you know how to solve this equation, Shamsa?
No.
Okay, now, هذه equation. You don't know how to solve it, right?
Um,
Now we will put a line. First of all, the first step, you will put a line on the equal side. In order to separate the both sides, you will separate the left side from the
right side.
right side. Okay. Now, in English, if I ask you how many words I wrote here,
How many words?
yeah,
4.
where? No, no, just in the in this box, how many words I wrote? Two, right?
2.
Now, why they are two words? Because there's a space between them. صح.
صح.
Now, in math, we have something similar to that, but it's not a space. It's plus or minus. For example, if someone asks you 4x plus 12 plus 3y, if someone asks you how many words we wrote in math here, what you will tell him? This is the first word, the second one, this is the third word. So we will say that we have how much
3.
terms? They are not, yani they are called, they are not called words, they are called terms. So how many terms we have here, Shamsa?
3 terms.
Okay, now another example. Let's say 4y minus 2x divide 3. How many terms I wrote?
3.
No. We said it what? Look here. What? Separate term. What separate terms? What separate terms are plus and minus. This is what separate the terms. Can we read that one more time?
What separate terms are plus and minus?
Okay, what separates the terms are plus and minus. I'm going to write them between parentheses so they will be more obvious like this. الحين شوفي here.
هني 4.
Where here?
أيوة.
No, this is the minus صح.
أيوة.
So this is like a space. If this is space, this is the first word and this is the second
أيوة.
word.
هاي الشخطة هاي.
Divide. This is
Divide.
divide. Yeah, it's not a plus. It's not a minus. So if someone asks you how many terms you have, how many terms you will say we have here?
4.
Why?
because 4 والواي بعدين 2x بعدين الديفيجن بعدين 3.
الحين شوفي مرة ثانية شمسة. What separate the terms are plus and minus. I'm going to explain it in another way. Just imagine that the plus or the minus, it's like a space. So first word, then space. Second word, then space. Third word, and خلاص. That's why I said 3 terms. Here, this is the first term, then space. This is the whole second term. So how many terms we have?
2.
2 terms only, Shamsa. They are not 4, they are not 3 because we just only have minus. Understood?
Okay.
So just look for the plus or the minus in order to count the terms.
Okay.
Good?
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's continue here. So how many terms will we have on the left side?
We have 1.
1 term. And how many terms we have on the right side?
2.
We have 2 terms. That's right. Now let's know what is the type of the terms. Now, if you look for the first term here, it's a variable term. It's what? It's a variable term. Why it's a variable term? Because it have a letter inside it. What's the letter in the first term here?
Huh?
What is the letter in the first term.
X.
That's why I'm going to call it variable term. Variable terms mean a variable, or sorry, a term which have variable inside it. Okay, if you look for the second term, is it variable term or not?
No.
What should I call it?
Consistent.
Constant term. One more time, what's the name of it?
Constant term.
Okay. How about the third one?
It's a variable term.
Okay. Now, we will order the variable with the variable and the constant with the constant. Here, what's that?
It's constant.
Here,
Variable.
here.
Constant.
So we will move the constant to the side which have constant in order to sort them out. You know what's the meaning of sort?
نرتبهم.
Yes, we will sort them out depending on the type, the variable with the variable and the constant with the constant. Now, what's the opposite of minus?
Plus.
So I'm going to say plus 12 in order to eliminate that, and the same thing will be done on the second side. Plus 12. Now, this with this will cancel out. Okay? And
Okay.
what's left?
X for 34.
The x will left on this side. Let's do the mathematical operation on the right side, or the sorry, on the left side. Here, 34 and 12. How much?
يعني we add them, divide them, or multiply.
No. What's the process between them? It's addition. So you need to add them.
Okay, wait.
Yalla Shamsa, it doesn't take time.
46.
40.
6.
Good. This is the final answer. خلاص. We solved the equation. We finished the question. Good.
Okay.
Now, one more time. How to solve the equations? We need to move the variable to the variable and the constant to the constant. Now,
استاذ
yeah.
استاذ طلع سهل.
Yeah, they are. It's too easy. Now, how to check? Okay, how to check our answer? Sometimes the question asks me to check my answer. How to check the answers? Okay.
How?
What you will do, Shamsa, you will go back to the original equation. Then, and
Okay.
you, sorry. Wait. You will go back to the original equation and add the original equation. Now, on the question mark, we will do, or sorry, on the equal sign, we will do question mark like this.
ليش؟
Now, I will tell you why. Now, on the left side, we will drop it because it's a constant. There isn't any variable. 34. And then I write equal with a question mark. And then on the left or on the right side, I'm going to replace the x now because I already know what's the value of x. What's the value of x, Shamsa?
The value of x1.
Why?
Because the x دوم إياها 1.
No, I'm not asking about the coefficient of the x. I'm asking about the value of the x, the solution we got.
It's 46.
So 46 minus 12. Understood?
أيوه.
Why I replace x with 46? Because this is the solution I get. Now, why I wrote the question mark? Because I'm wondering, does the left equal the right? Now, 34 will stay the same. There's nothing to do here. So I'm going to rewrite it. 46 minus 12, how much?
Wait.
Yalla, 46 minus 12.
34.
34. Now you're going to ask yourself, does the 34 equal to the 34?
Yes.
So our answer was correct. This is how to check my answer. Yeah. Now it's your turn. Let's say that it is x plus 14 equals 30. You have 2 minutes to finish it and send it for me on WhatsApp. Good?
Okay.